don't forget that tomorrow, February 18th, it's the last day to apply for the design team position. So all the details for that are on my blog. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have a ton of goodies to share with you. We have new release from Honeybee. We have some new stamps from Avery Elle. Some odds and ends to share. The Free with 60 right now is this really cute stamp from Scrapping for Less. It's called Would You Be Mine? If you did place an order recently, you already received this, just let me know in your comments box and I will switch it out for you for something else. I got a few things that I needed, so I thought I'd grab some for you guys. This art glitter glue metal tip, so I wanted that for my glue bottle here. So I'm going to put that on just so you guys can see how it's done if you are curious about that. Okay, so it looks like you just pop off this top. There's a needle in there. So you're going to keep that inside here so it doesn't get any clogs. So that goes down into your glue. And let's see, I think we just pop that over the tip. So you just push that on. Make sure it's on there good. Okay, let's test it out. Ooh, so it gives a nice fine application. I like that. So then I'm just going to keep this little pin in there. Let's see if this fits on top. No, it doesn't. So this has to be your stopper. So that's available in the shop. I also picked up this really cool gem picker. So it's got a picker and a gem picker-upper. So this side you pick up your little sequins with. So I'm always having trouble adding the sequins on to my card and having the glue stick and all that stuff. So I just want to pick it up with this end of the tool. It picks it right up and then you can place it right down onto your glue. So really, really handy. And the other side is a pick tool. So if you have dies and you want to pick out some pieces from your die, this will come in very handy. And it's got some very cool gems in there for decoration. So that's available. And that's by Marker Forte. We also have these very cool tweezers from Marker Forte. So same rainbow color. They have that tweezer at the end there. So it's got a little plastic thing on there, but they're just regular tweezers. Those are nice for putting down your images. A lot of people like to do that with those tweezers. Then we have some Nuvo Aqua Shimmer pens in the packs of 2. So I'm going to dig into the Honeybee. It's a big release. We've got lots to share. New paper pad called Playful Pastels. So love the pastel colors. There's 24 sheets, 2 of each, and it's for 6x6. So really pretty. We've got a slimline die. So I love my slimline cards, and it's nice to see a nice new pattern. So this is a basket weave pattern. So it'll emboss that pattern onto your card base and then cut out the slimline shape. We've got itty bitty eggs. Those are really cute. And then I thought I picked this up from the previous release. It's the little red wagon, so I thought these little eggs would be really cute in the wagon. So you might have that wagon already from the previous release, but in case you didn't, I have a couple in stock. And then the gem stickers are always nice to have, really pretty, nice pastel colors, goes with the paper. We've got loads of spring. So this is one of their add-ons to their tailgate stamp set here. So it's a big truck. You stamp these add-ons into the back and you can have different occasions for your truck. So there was one from last release. It's still in the shop for the Valentine's Day stuff. There's a cute little bunny in a basket, and then these buildable sentiments. There's also a patch of grass at the bottom, and then there is a coordinating die. There's 3 stencils. So we've got the basket weave stencil, which I really like that for spring. Nice price point on that one. And this one has 2. So this one is a layering stencil. Nice pattern. And then we've got the grass border builder. And then looks like there's a grid on the center. So you've got the hill and then the grass hill. So some nice Easter sentiments here. It's called Happy Easter. There's also a coordinating die if you wanted to cut out the sentiments. Lots of sentiments. Cute for the next stamps that I'm going to share. To some bunny special, hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Some bunny loves you. May your heart be full of love and your basket be full of chocolate. And then Easter buddies. So we got some cute little buddies here. Some chicks, some accessories, the sentiment Happy Easter and hanging with my peeps. The die here does cut out the inside of the basket, which I love that. Also does cut out the sentiments. This stamp set here is a, I believe it's a 6x6 spring blooms background. It looks like stained glass, like if you were to color this all in, it look like a stained glass piece. That would be really, really pretty for a background. We've got the Easter Builder basket, or the Easter basket builder. And then this really nice basket. This piece here is the back of your basket, so you could stamp that on if you wish. Fill it up with these Easter eggs. I love this piece here with the little grass peeking through these eggs. There's little bunny rabbit ears, this cute bunny here. The filler, like the little blanket that goes in the basket. And then this die here. So you get 2 different dies to cut out the basket. Looks like one will, maybe it embosses the handle. I'm not sure if it does or not, but there is open slits there for some reason. And then it'll cut out all these pieces here. This sentiment stamp set here goes very well with the next stamp set. It's called He is Risen. So we've got some nice sentiments in here. Have faith, God bless you, trust in the Lord with all your heart, sending Easter blessings. So it's a nice add-on to the stamp set, which is the old rugged cross. So you've got some different options here for crosses. You can use this one probably to color in these ones. Instead of coloring it in with your markers or pencils, you can use ink. And then we've got the swag, and then these lilies. Really, really pretty. Let's read some of these sentiments. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Jesus paid it all to him I owe. Sympathy in there, so you could also use it for sympathy cards. And we have the coordinating die. So I thought this one is really interesting. This is a wood frame builder, so it actually makes frames for your cards, and I love it because it's nice and thick. It's got the wood grain on there, and you just put these slats together to build a frame for probably any size card, as long as it fits the length. So I thought that was nice. This one probably could fit the slimline card. And then we've got the Build an Egg. So those are really pretty. And they're larger eggs compared to the bitty bitty eggs that they have. Lovely layers. So this makes a nice lily die cuts. And then we've got Spring Joy Bouquet. So now they had a different bouquet for the Valentine's Day release. So if you want to check that out, there was also a wrapper that you could wrap your bouquets in. And then this is the coordinating die for that. And last but not least is this 2-piece cover plate. So this is the base and this is the top layer. They are sold separately, but purchase them together. They layer on top, so they're meant to go together. So that's the honeybee stuff. Really, really nice stuff for spring. I also did grab this Marker Forte stamp set featuring all these cute little gnomes. So you get 6 different characters and then these sentiments. Happy spring, have an excellent day, happy Easter, just fluttering by to say. So that's really cute. And let's see what this one is called, Spring Gnomes. From Waffle Flower, this is the Buffalo Plaid Stencil. This one's called the Buffalo Plaid Stencil Duo. I think that's a tongue twister for me. So I did restock the Sunburst Stencil. I think that's a nice staple to have in your stash. This is from Marker Forte as well. This is a stencil and a slimline stamp combo. So you get the stencil, and looks like you could put the stencil right over your stamped image and then color in your background with your inks. Do a nice sunset that would look perfect with this image. There's also this part of the stencil here as well. So you could stencil in the animals and all the other parts. So really cute. And from Avery Elle, we have some new stamps. So here's the new die. This is the Peekaboo Birthday Tag Toppers. So there's cute little characters that you can add on top of a tag. This one I thought was super cute. This is called Look How Big. You got that cute owl. And this little owl looks really cute looking up at him. And then the tree, there's little mushrooms and then a butterfly and some grass. This one is a head above. So you get that giraffe, a cute little elephant carrying a present, a tiger with some balloons, a little mouse propping up a cake, and a little monkey holding a little gift bag. So cute, and there's a couple birds in there. And then Underwater Friends, we've got the mermaid, and then the sea creatures. Waving hello, see you soon. My love for you runs deep. And then I think this one goes really nice with this. And this one is an underwater background builder. I thought it was really cool. It's got these coral and these rocks. I just thought that would be really cool on a slimline card. I really like that. We've got these superheroes. So you get that city down here, and then these cute characters, these cute superheroes. The world needs more of you. Have a super day and you're my hero. And then we've got teacher and the word you're super, mom, and help. And then the cute elephants. This is called Elephantastic. So cute. There's a bunch of balloons, an umbrella that the elephants can be holding in their trunks. Tons of thanks. Cheer up, Buttercup. I'm here for you. You're elephantastic. Cute little bunny. So sorry I forgot, and wishing you an unforgettable day. If you're into the Peekaboo Pals, there's a new Peekaboo accessory. So this is the Peekaboo Flight. So you get the airplane and the helicopter. Your little guys fit right in there. Any of the Peekaboo characters from previous releases will fit in there. the sentiments read, let your dreams take flight, the sky is the limit, you're plain awesome and you lift me up and up, up and away. So, so, so cute. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate you stopping by. And right now it is a free shipping with a $60 order in the US. And I do have one set of each of these new little cubes from MFT. So I hope you guys are having a great week so far. I will catch you real soon in the next video. Thanks for shopping, guys, and stopping by. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you soon. Bye, guys.